You know, when you see a fire like that, you just think nothing is going to survive in the path of that. I think, like, very often when you live on a farm, you're sort of connected to the land in so many ways. There was this sort of worry that, oh my God, how much of this is burnt, and where are all the sort of drinker moth caterpillars for the cuckoos, and just that sort of balance. How's it going to be upset? The fire brigade were out and we could see it heading towards a nearby woodland to us. And Brian, like, he's been there all his life, and he says for 40 years he's not seen a fire like that. And this bog is actually quite important. It's about at least 3 metres of peat underneath where we're standing. So making sure that it stays wet and it just keeps growing is going to be better for everything. Makes it more resilient to climate factors. You know, when you've got the rain, it's soaking it up. If you've got wildfires, because it's drying up, you know, it can stop the movement of the wildfires by just being damper ground, and if they do go over it, it has a less impact on that ground. Living in this really precious landscape, I feel like it is it's the opportunity to get people trying to do things. We're going to be looking at re-wetting between ours and our other neighbour because we've got a really important area for birds on the hill. We look after our stock, we look after our farms, we're business people, but you know, there's nobody that doesn't want to leave something good in what they've done in life.